James may still wear purple and gold, but his recent actions hint at shifting tides. From working out at the Clippers facility to meeting with Nikola Jokic's agent, his off-season moves feel more like strategic signals than coincidence. Adding to the intrigue, Nike is dropping the Zoom LeBron NXXT Genisus LAKERS on August 1 for $170. This futuristic sneaker blends aged midsoles with gum outsoles, vibrant uppers, and dual swooshes in gold and iridescent hues, perhaps nodding to LeBron's longevity and evolving role. As Luka Dončić steps into more spotlight in Hollywood, LeBron's position in the Lakers' future feels less secure. Still, no formal exit looms. Until then, the NXXT Genisus serves as both a fashion statement and a tribute to his legacy, keeping fans engaged while the King's next chapter brews behind the scenes.